maisip mo na kagaguhan ng isang counselor?
Actually, they served the search warrant on July 30, 2017, and after the operation, 16 people were killed in these police operations po, yung kay Paruino. This was according to the affidavit of Joby Espinilo.
If it was in Davao,
In Osamis po.
wala akong ano din sa hindi ko na teritoryo yan.
Okay, dito naman po tayo, Mr. President and Chairman, Mr. Chair. Doon po sa may nangyari pong patayan noong August 13, 2016 sa Davao Penal Colony involving 3 Chinese prisoners. Ito po yung mga Chinese na kinulong po doon sa Davao Penal Colony